So hi everyone, welcome to Edits by Annie. So Instagram has a new feature known as guide, and it's the fourth icon right there. And when you click on it, you have a collection of things that you can do on this screen. So on this screen, when you click on the plus sign, there's a way you can recommend places, you can recommend products that you use. You can even recommend posts that you've created or you saved. So let's first start off with the places. So these are some places I can recommend where I am right now. And if I want to do products, I can also come in here, choose a product line that I have actually pinged or used before in the past, like the Kadima line, and I can select products on there and use those to curate my guide. So right here I'm adding the clay wash, and I'm going to go back to the Kadima line, and I'm going to look for, let's choose that mask, so the cocoa extract mask, and I can select it, or I can go back and choose another product if I want, but I'm just going to go back to the Kadima and pick the hair mask that I want. So you can see, you can type in the information, click it, then select the product and click done after you select the product. Now, one thing you should realize is that you have to give your guide, you have to give it a title. So you have to do a title, unless it's not going to save. So just go down there and write the title. So I can write, let me just write the product brand name. So I'm just going to put a product brand name over there. And once I've written what I want, I'm just going to click share, and I can share this guide to my Instagram page. So by sharing it to your Instagram page, people can later on click on your guide and they can see what you've created. I hope you guys give this a try. For example, I took some posts that I've created in the past, and those posts are linked to my YouTube channel. So if I select the post that you see over there, okay, I'm going to go back into it, and then I'm going to select the post for the homemade hair product recipe. You see where I put my YouTube channel, although it's not clickable right now, but who knows, in the future Instagram might make it clickable and people will be able to go and watch my videos, and thereby, you get more eyes on your brand and on your content. Hope this helps you out. Feel free to click the subscribe, and see you later.